So we're doing live TA right now in the server with our members, and we're pretty much just going over levels that we could be seeing rejection at next. We missed the move of the break of our previous range down here, right? Locally making higher highs and higher lows, and then as we approach the level down here, we saw increases in open interest, CBD, and delta, and volume, producing this beautiful push up, which we now see some trap shorts that are getting fueled as new longs open. We are looking over here at one of our templates and observing that above us, right, because we're prepared, we're pretty much going to try to catch it wouldn't be a falling dagger, it'd be a fucking flying dagger. But we saw a naked TPO session POC, which we've now tested, claimed, and are moving on to. I'm assuming the minute we come through, we're going to fill this single print, where there's absolutely no liquidity, come up and either see this rejection at this selling tail. So previous to creating this selling tail, we do have a major discrepancy between the time POC and the volume POC with single prints above it. So if we don't see a rejection at the volume POC and the selling tail, we're going to assume here in likely probabilities that this single print's going to be filled and going to reject at this other naked TPO POC and come falling back down into the range down here where we're going to test this value area low. That's the most probable situation. If, again, that is if we fill these single prints. And that is the main short. We've marked it on our charts. This is the bottom of that naked this is the bottom of that volume POC, and then we obviously marked the discrepancy with the single print in the middle, showing what this is, and up here is that naked TPO POC, which hopefully we see rejection at, but again, as I said, we missed the move, so we're not trading in the middle. We're going to come over here and continue to monitor order flow. I mean, if we look at this right, this move is not dying, and then we could obviously go into smaller time frames and look at what's happening inside, but this move is not dying. I believe this is a hindrance at this naked point of control, this daily naked point of control that we produced a little while ago. We had a rejection, could have seen a quick scalp trade, we didn't. As we speak, we're pushing up. Again, open interest is increasing. Our volume is starting to fade. No, I mean, not really. We just made a new candle. But yeah, this is very strong, which is why you don't go short this. So that is everything that's happening. We'll pick this recording back up if we approach these levels. If not, then just a glimpse of what our live TA is like at night. So if we just observe basic market structure here as well, again, as I was just repeating to you guys, we have set in a much higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Hopefully that higher low, if not equal low, and if we take this high, you could market enter along. If we don't, and we make a lower low, that's on the retake of this low, that's when you could enter for confirmed market structure. The other thing we were just doing is, if we come over here, was obviously marking out the discrepancy and confirming the top of the discrepancy, right? This discrepancy here.
Yep.
Where was it? This discrepancy. If we see the TPO POC is at 43, 387.5. 43. Let's just mark this. 43. Right. I mean, what did it go back? 43. 87.5. This is perfectly on the value area low with this POC. I mean, that is, and there's the buying tail there, which you can break and retest as resistance. So these are all just levels. This is the short that we're going to really look for. I think we're seeing a break and retest of this high time frame fib channel that we have, or that we've had on our charts for a little while that we've been trading. Obviously producing this high of our macro local range, and yeah, now getting used as support. And who knows, maybe we claim the liquidity along these highs and swing failure back down lower to test our massive fib channel that we've been using. That was this one. All right, this big boy fib channel that got respected once, twice, front run, or who knows, maybe we go down to 28K and liquidate all these orders. We shall see.